In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Convertkit and start collecting leads. First, have both your Squarespace dashboard and your Convertkit account open in separate tabs. This makes it easy to switch back and forth without losing your place. Make sure you're logged into the correct site in Squarespace and the correct workspace in ConvertKit so the integration links to the right accounts. In Squarespace, navigate to the area where your visitors will subscribe. You can use a newsletter or form block on a page, your site's footer, or a dedicated sign-up page. If you prefer a centralized setup, head to your site settings and look for the integrations or connected accounts section, which is where you can manage connections for forms across your site. The key is to decide where the form will live and how visitors will see it. Choose the method you want to use to send subscribers into ConvertKit. A newsletter block is great for simple email capture, while a form block can collect additional fields like first name. If you already have a form on the page, you can repurpose it by changing its storage or connection settings. Using a draft or a hidden test page at this stage is a smart way to configure everything without affecting your live site. Next, connect or authorize your ConvertKit account. In the form or newsletter settings, select the option to connect a service, then choose ConvertKit. You'll be prompted to authorize access. Approve the connection so Squarespace can pass subscriber data securely to your ConvertKit account. If you're reconnecting an existing account, confirm it's the right one before proceeding. Once authorized, select the ConvertKit destination you want to use. This can be a specific form, tag, audience segment, or automation you've set up in ConvertKit. Pick the option that aligns with your email strategy, like sending new subscribers into a welcome sequence or applying a tag for segmentation. Double check any settings related to confirmation or consent to match your list requirements. Now test the sign-up flow. Open the page with your form, submit a test email you control, and confirm a success message appears. Then switch to ConvertKit and verify that the subscriber shows up in the correct form, tag, or automation, and that the data fields are mapped as expected. Finally, save your integration settings and publish your changes. Place your form prominently on your site, ensure your copy is clear, and you're ready to start collecting leads.